Okay, we're looking at the bottom left problem on homework 100 on the back side, bottom left. It says graph the linear equation, and it says y equals x divided by 2 minus 4. So x over 2 minus 4. Now the first thing to point out is that x over 2, to divide by 2 is the same thing as to multiply by 1/2. So what we really have here is a slope of 1/2, and you can tell that right away. You have a y-intercept of -4. So with that alone, so this x over 2, like I said, is 1/2 for your slope. So x over 3 would be 1/3, x over 4 would be 1/4, so on and so forth. So if your slope is 1/2 and your y-intercept is -4, you can simply go to -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go up 1 over 2. So you've gotten that point and that point. You draw a line through them, you've got your graph. Piece of cake. However, sometimes they want you to show 3 points. So we could show that one with this, but we would need to show a third. So the other way to do this is to pick 3 numbers. Now where did I get these first 3 x's from? I picked them just sort of out of the air, but I used some common sense, which is the first thing I have to do is divide by 2. And if I'm going to divide by 2, I want the number to be even, right? So I picked even numbers. The second thing is generally you want to have one below 0 and one above 0, and then 0 is really easy to deal with. So I picked -2, 0, 2. So -2 divided by 2 would be -1. -1 minus 4 is -5. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Minus 4 is -4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Minus 4 would be -3. And then now you can graph these ordered pairs. -2, -5, that's there. 0, -4, that's there. 2, -3, that's there. And then you draw a line of connection. Yeah, I know I missed, and it's a wavy line there, but I think you understand the point. The other thing that this is all important about is there are some questions where they show you points and they ask you, are they linear? And the way that you answer that is by showing if the slopes are the same between the points. But that's for another lesson.